Hello young people, I want to overwhelm you with examples. So let's look at a few more of these quadratic formula problems. So here we have our formula. If you haven't memorized the formula by now, I don't understand what's going on. In problem number 1 here, our a is 1, that number right there, in front of the x squared. Our b is the 6, the number in front of the x. And our c is the 8, the number here on the end, the constant term. So x is equal to a negative b, negative 6, plus or minus a large square root, your b squared, 36, remember that's always positive, minus 4 times your a times your c, and all of that is over 2 times the a, which is 2. This will be negative 6 plus or minus the square root. All that inside the square root will work out to be a 4. We'll have negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 4 is a 2. That's nice. So we'll branch. We'll go negative 6 plus 2 over 2, and we'll go negative 6 minus 2 over 2. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. That's one of our answers. Negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 over 2 is negative 4. How nice. By the way, this is the quiz that you did. Here we have an a of 1, a b of 4, and a c of negative 4. Formula. X is equal to a negative b plus or minus the square root of your b squared minus 4 times your a times your c, and all of that is over 2 times your a. X is equal to a negative 4 plus or minus the inside of that square root will work out to be a 32. Remember, that part is called your discriminant. The square root of 32 is 4 square roots of 2. And we can reduce from our triangle here of numbers and get negative 2 plus minus 2 square roots of 2. Number 3, our a is a 2, our b is this 5 here in the middle, and our c is the 3. X is equal to a negative 5, negative b, plus or minus the square root, your b squared, minus 4 times your a, times your c, and all of that is over 2 times your a. In this case, 2 times 2 will be 4 on the bottom. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root. Inside that square root, we're going to end up with a 1. The square root of 1 is one of those perfect numbers, so we get 1, and we'll need a branch. Negative 5 plus 1 over 4, negative 5 minus 1 over 4. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4 over 4, and that reduces down or just cleans up nicely to be a negative 1. This will be negative 6 over 4, which doesn't reduce as like the negative 1, but we'll still get negative 3 over 2 when we take out a 2. Hey, have a nice day. Smile.